Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your Doogee S86 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store and from here start searching for an app. Write Microsoft Edge. And hit the search button. Now select this app and click install. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. From here, start customizing it, and the first thing is to turn on the synchronizing. Here you can add or sign into other accounts in order to synchronize multiple devices using Microsoft Edge browser. I'm not gonna do that, I'm gonna do it later. From here you can also enable or disable data sharing preferences for Microsoft. I'm gonna disable it and then go to the next step, which is setting Microsoft Edge browser as your default browser. Of course you can say no, but here I'm gonna go with yes and select the Edge, then always. Right now Edge is ready and it should be your default browser. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.